Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer money to Venmo from a bank account. Now, I'm not gonna show you literally. I'm just gonna talk about the entire process. I hope that's not a problem. So now back to our video. Now Venmo doesn't quite let you directly transfer from your bank account yet. As of right now, you can't do it directly transfer from your bank account, but no worries, there's actually a trick, a workaround. You can still add money to your Venmo using your bank account or debit card if you have them linked. So now here's the process. If you have a Venmo debit card, you have to open the Venmo app. Tap on your profile picture to find your settings. Look for manage balance or something similar. Hit add money to get the cash flowing. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Pick your linked bank account as the source. Double check everything looks good. Amount, where it's coming from. Double check. It's also good to double check. You don't want to make mistakes. Your bank might ask you to verify the transfer through their app. Just follow their instructions, easy peasy. Now, using a linked debit card. Now, you just have first step is to open the Venmo app, tap on your profile picture to find your settings, look for manage balance or something similar. Now, still, in your profile settings, find manage balance and then hit add money to get the money, to get the cash flowing. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Pick your linked debit card as the source this time. So that's very important, guys. You have to pick your linked debit card as the source this time. Depending on your card's security settings, you might need to enter your PIN or that special code on the back, the CVV, I think it's called in English. Double check everything looks good, amount, where it's coming from. Now, some things you have to remember: transfers from your bank might take a bit longer than using your debit card. Using your debit card for instant transfers might come with some small fees, so keep that in mind. Now, my personal advice is to link your bank account to Venmo to avoid any fees. Also, think about how long your bank usually takes to process things when choosing between a bank transfer or a debit card transfer. So that's the end of this video. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.